Bitcoin, it's in an all-time high that tastes like pizza. Do you want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max, and today we have this pizza day, this special video sponsored by our friends on Tangem. I'm going to tell you about this cold wallet in a bit, but of course today we have to talk about how 100% of Bitcoin holders in its 16-year history are in profit right now. So probably for you is the moment for dancing like this guy. Are you euphoric? Or maybe you just leave it like myself, like yay, and that's that. Some believe that this is the all-time high of Bitcoin. Let's celebrate it in history. Maybe because, well, the ones that we are into this, we are already used to it, and the ones that are not in, they are not in because retail, even though we are in an all-time high retail, normal people, they are not coming into Bitcoin. They don't understand we are mooning with the McDonald's M, and of course they have to wait till 150k in order to come into masses. They don't even come with we are in an all-time high. It's okay, we keep on celebrating it. We are now telling you not the percentage that we are just in the need to make before the new all-time high, but how high are we beyond that point? So we are actually right now 2.28% up from the previous high. So right now, Bitcoin high is 111, close to 112k. So what do you think right now? This is over or we are going to keep on going higher? We told you once we break this channel was going to be huge, and it was huge. Do you think we need to go back to 108, 500 in order to keep on going higher? Or are we going to keep on going higher and higher? Remember this chart, this is Bitcoin chart. And well, you can see the last movements. Once we broke the triangles, we go up almost 11%, 10%. So if that's the case this time, you can put your sell orders in 115, 500. Are you selling Bitcoin? Are you buying? You know, when Bitcoin is in a discovery price mode, like it's the case, you never know. We can go to just $500,000 today, who knows? Or we can start going down. Remember that we still believe that Bitcoin would be at some point around $89,000. So we'll see. But right now, the trend is that Bitcoin is going higher, and billionaire investor Michael Novogratz revealed why Bitcoin price kept going up. I found a sum up with Grok, with ChatGPT in this case, and well, he's saying that it all started when BlackRock and Larry Fink, they just backed Bitcoin. Then other institutions said, if they are endorsing it, we are endorsing it too. Also then, Donald Trump, of course, and how he turned around the regulation framework we had in the United States that put everything into the perfect storm for Bitcoin to go higher. And also it made all the countries out of United States buying Bitcoin. If United States is buying Bitcoin, they want Bitcoin too, of course. And also the macroeconomic aspect, the economy right now in United States, where we have deficit going 7 to 8% and not going down. This is good for gold and for Bitcoin too. And it's not just Novogratz. Today we talk about the crypto czar David Sachs and what he told us about the Genius stablecoin bill. Of course, a sum up from ChatGPT, and he says that it's going to back dollar, it's going to put dollar where with paper you can't go. So it's good for internationalization of the dollar. And he believes that the use of the stable coins that it's already in use is going to be huge in the future. We have more than $200 million circulating on those stable coins, not regulated, and they will be regulated soon enough. And then I asked ChatGPT to tell me advantages and disadvantages from these stable coins in United States with, for example, comparing with the CBDCs and the European euro. And well, you know that stablecoins work on blockchains like Ethereum, so you have transactions free, and you don't have a government that is going to track everything, and it might limit, even revert your transactions. So you have freedom with the stablecoins and not with the digital euro. Also, stablecoins are being used already all over the world when euro digital is not even there yet. Also, those stablecoins are created by public companies, and not governments. So those can go to DEXs, DeFi, wallets, etc. And of course, CBDCs, they need bureaucratic things, just a lot of regulation, a lot of papers. Not good also that, yeah, it's the only one that digital euro has no competence whatsoever. When with the stable coins you have, well, USDT, USDC, DAI, USD1, etc., etc. So that is a better approach in my opinion. Stable coins are used on DeFi, NFTs, trading, and so many other cash uses all over the world. And digital euro probably would have restrictions for these uses, for these case uses, and it would need so many regulations that it's going to be very difficult to find it integrated into the protocols. So good for Bitcoin, good for stable coins. Texas almost has already its reserve, and the same comes from Asia. Hong Kong passes a stablecoin bill to launch a licensing regime for fiat-backed stablecoins issuers, aiming to boost innovation while tightening investors' protections. In El Salvador, Nayib Bukele, so happy, of course, today. More happy than him is probably Michael Saylor, the crazy people that now became geniuses like you and me, and like Laszlo, or maybe not. Remember, today is pizza day. Those pizzas started at $40. That was the worth of the two pizzas. Right now, from 2010 to 2025, if you hold it like crazy, those $40 worth of Bitcoin, when you have $1 billion, which is crazy. Of course, every year we celebrate the pizza day with the thumbnails, with the videos, references. And today we want to also mention how bad German government did selling the Bitcoin. We have here an image, a video of the guy that can't believe that they did that in Germany. Oh my, they sell it. Yes, they did. And who was? We have video. We know who was the one. This is the kid that sold all that Bitcoin in Germany. As you can see, not very smart guy. But, well, that's what he decided to do. When we know it's good for governments and it's good also for companies, you can see here the chart of MetaPlanet. The more Bitcoin they buy, the more the stock market goes up. And what's going to do Bitcoin now? Are we going to have this cap and handle pattern? It will bring us to close to 300,000 euros, dollars. Crazy stuff. Also here, Crypto Rover telling us that the final wave is here, and well, he projected it around 170. What do you think is the price for Bitcoin? But of course, again, remember, maybe take some profits, because Bitcoin goes up and then usually always goes back down. And I believe that at some point it will be in around $89,000. Also, I believe that right now people like myself, we are taking a little bit of profit. So we have to expect some pressure, some sell pressure, and well, difficult for Bitcoin to make new highs. But you never know. Bitcoin is like that. We'll see what happens with it. Remember, in any case, to be conscious that we have these other charts we told you in previous videos where we see Bitcoin going lower. Also, stock market yesterday in United States went down, and it's not a good day in the whole stock market ecosystem all over the world. And what about Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in the second quarter of the year. So maybe we can expect Ethereum to behave better and lead the Altseason. Maybe so. Right now, 2,700, which is amazing, but it's better for the bubbles, the altcoins. Hype is in a close to 20% rise. So congratulations also to the ones that saw the video. I'm buying Hype, FOMOing like crazy, and we are now close to the target we have in in $33. So yeah, maybe close to the new highs. What do you think about Hype? You have the links in the description below in order to learn about it. You have the video, watch everything. Hyperliquid just reached a new all-time high in open interest. So you can see it's just a monster and growing stronger. And what about Cardano? Will it go to new highs? I want to celebrate today also that we validated two new blocks on our pool Fanon. So if you have some ADA, come. If you are validating with some others, come with us, celebrate with us today. Thank you very much. As Donald Trump is going to celebrate today the pizza day with the meeting they're going to have, I will tell you everything about that tomorrow. And you can see that we still going up with Trump token, but still I expect that maybe once the meeting is over, price of Trump might go down. What do you think about that? Possible that it goes the other way around. What we know is that Donald Trump always makes us happy when he talks good about crypto. As I'm happy today talking about Tangem, and they have a special pizza day offer, so you have 10% off, and also there are some 30 of you that will buy it that might be lucky enough that you will have 100% return of your money if you buy it in the next 11 days. So I'm going to tell you about this. The next days, you can buy 3 cards, 2 cards, and you can have different themes. You can have, the pizza day or the American flag. So yeah. Any case, use our link. Rodrigo Arnedo will provide you with a 10% off. And yes, sure, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below. I believe this is a very nice product. I'm just started learning about it, but you can see that it's a cold wallet and we don't even need to write down the 24 phrase, the words. So yeah, it works just with your cell phone. You go like this, it's an NFC, and you're going to validate with this anytime you need it. So the thing is that the hacker or someone that wants to steal your crypto needs the physical card. So it provides you with a layer of safety, of course. And then you have the app in the cell phone. Is very, very simple, very easy to use. You will just connect your cards in like 3 minutes, and then you have there all the cryptos you need that you can buy, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. So yeah, maybe it's a very nice way of starting on crypto or keeping on growing on crypto. 0 from 2 million of these cards have been hacked right now. It's open source, so very, very convenient way. Also maybe to give someone like a present. You have these 3 or these 2 cards, so if you lose one, you still have the other. But of course, if you lose the 3 of them, you're done. So careful with this. Link in the description below. I believe it's a very, very interesting product, and I'm gonna learn more about it, and I will tell you, of course, here in the next shows. You have the link in the description below, and you have the link in the description below to coin tracking. They celebrated also the all-time high, and we are celebrating it with a 10% discount in individuals, also for the full service, also for corporate. But more than that, remember 3 winners this month that will come from free to pro, or maybe to expert or unlimited. So yeah, let me a comment below with the second and third letter of your username and coin tracking, and you are eligible if you just go to the free this month. Thank you very much, and we say goodbye to this happy, lovely pizza day of the all-time high with the cat that is telling us just to keep on pumping it. You wanna learn more? Go to our previous videos. I'm researching already for tomorrow. More news on Rodrigo Arnido, Noticias Bitcoin, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!